Do you find yourself rushing through breakfast or lunch, but need that boost of energy to keep you fully energized? This strawberry, apple and banana smoothie is amazing. This creamy textured drink will give you that boost in the morning or at lunchtime. If you often work through lunch and go hours without even breaking for a snack, you may have difficulty concentrating or getting your required results. The best things you can do is prepare snacks and meals the day before so that it's ready for you in the morning. Try out this amazing smoothie recipe. You can have it for breakfast and for lunch. Energize your day with this vibrant apple, strawberry and banana smoothie recipe. Each sip is packed with nutrient and fibre-rich whole fruit. I love smoothies. It's the easiest and quickest way to drink your meals, especially when you're on the go, packing in tons of nutrients in one glass. So the ingredients are half a glass of water or coconut water, 1 medium-sized banana, 1 large sliced apple, 8 fresh or frozen strawberries. So chop up the banana, apple and strawberries and add them to the blender. Blend for 90 seconds or until the mixture is smooth. Add more water or coconut water or even ice to achieve that thick and creamy consistency. The blender does an excellent job breaking down the fibres into a silky smooth consistency. Strawberries are amazing. I love the colour it brings to the smoothie and the flavour is just divine. These are a rich source of fibre, antioxidants and vitamin C. To make the smoothie extra creamy, I always add a banana, which is not only a good source of potassium, but it also has a lot of fibre which aids a healthy digestive system. So prep time and cook time is approximately 5 minutes. Let us know what you think about the recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit us on our social media platforms and our website for more tips, advice, resources, reviews and recipes. Thank you for watching.